Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about 95% confidence interval, and this is about proportion. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about the proportion in here. We use about 15. We divide by 500. This one we will have about 0.03, and now we apply the formula to find about the interval to estimate the proportion in here. So that should be about like this. So this is the value we just calculate in here, and that's about the population 500. And now I need to find about this one. 95% of confidence intervals. Now I will use this table in here. So this is about the value, but this is about proportion, so we can use about z in here. So 95% on the right, so we will choose about this number in here, 1.96. So I will put about 1.96 gold here. So we will have about 0.03 positive and negative 1.96 multiplied by the square root. We have 0.03 in here. 1 minus 0.03 in here over 500. So we can calculate about upper and the lower in here. For the upper we have the positive, for the lower we have the negative side. So the upper we just got about 0.04. We use about 4 decimal place, so that should be about 450. This one about the lower we use about the negative side, so we will have about 0.0150. So the interval we need to find that is like this. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.